Still worried about screwing being hard on your hands and time-consuming? KEPAQI comes with this deal. The laser-engraved textured handle is anti-slip and comfortable to hold. Disassembly takes only 1 second, making efficiency soar. The brushless model uses the 2SH magnetic steel, suitable for three-speed torque adjustment function. Having a large torque screwer takes only 3 seconds. Reverse self-stopping function prevents nuts from flying out. With it in hand, you can easily handle high-intensity work. Hurry up and unlock your construction artifact.